you guys will get a chance to do a shop with me. So I will just be browsing today, and I will go into a couple of my favorite stores. So I'm going to start off by going into my first store, which is, I don't know if you saw that, that's Homegoods. Before I go in, I will be eating with my baby. So I'm going to eat first, and then I'll take you guys along. Yeah. Christmas decor. Oh, that's cute for a tree topper. So we are officially leaving Homegoods. Saw a lot of cute stuff, but at high prices, and they're just not in my budget. I love high-end stuff, but I just refuse to pay a high price. So we're gonna leave and head out to Burlington so we can try some of those same pieces. So we are at Burlington. We may or may not find any deals in here, but we're definitely going to see. You're looking and don't know if you're gonna find something, and if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. Don't be discouraged about not finding anything. Just wait it out or look elsewhere. And that diamond in the rough, it will be hidden somewhere at some particular store. This is something like what I have near my fireplace, and something high-end looking like this usually will run you about $80 to $100, but in Burlington, this beautiful piece is for $25. You cannot beat that. Tell me you can beat that. You can't. Look at the sparkle and the glitter, and most girls love glam. Yes, isn't that so cute?
How much is it?
Hey, for me. And it is $12.99. So we're gonna hold on to this piece. So I found this cute little piece where I can sit next to this with a white candle inside of it. And I think I'm going to hold on to this. It is only $9.99. It's so cute to go with my A. That's really pretty, actually. Let's see how much it says it is. Yeah, we can. There go a tag. So it's $80 for a 5x7 with the sparkles. I already have a white one. A blush, some type of blush color. That's pretty. Now this is super cute, you guys. If you have an oversized door or double doors, you need something this wide. And it's only $9.99, you guys. That is so cute. Let's see what this one says. Bless this home and whoever enters. So cute. Jada, hold this one. That's a keeper. They just say home sweet home. Gorgeous. How much? They're only $17.99, you guys. Look how gorgeous that is. Glitter. It's got like a rug effect with glitter. And it's not bad in price. It's only $19.99. Have finally arrived at Hobby Lobby. As you see, it's dark now, but it is still early. So always feel free to window shop. Just think of ideas, get creative, go home. If you have to draw them, I've drawn out plans with ideas for pictures and furniture pieces. You can do that as well. So let's go.
I can't do it. The phone will fall. The phone will fall. Okay, I'm gonna do stuff to the side.
Maybe so.